In this video, I'll show you how to manage files on your smart TV. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you want to manage files on your smart TV, you're going to use an application that I call ATV Tools. This is very easy to use application. If you don't know how to get the application, you can get using Downloader. First of all, most of you might not have Downloader on your smart TV. Without Downloader on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you get Downloader. Once you've gotten Downloader, just go ahead and launch it. Once you launch Downloader, you're going to type in ATV Tools here and then click on Go. Now, just type in the right word and go. Downloader is an application that helps you install APKs, files, documents from across the internet by just searching for it, searching for the right keyword there, and then clicking on Go. Once you click on Go, Downloader is going to show you various options on the internet where you could install Downloader to your smart TV. And I recommend you to always go with the first choice, or with the one that has Google Play or App Store. So we're going to take this. Now, once you come over here, you can install Downloader application to your smart TV. It's very easy to use application. Once you install it, it helps you manage your files on your smart TV. So you just have to install it, launch it, and then it will help you manage files on your smart TV.